And I'm hoping there's a bit of sauce involved, otherwise it's going to be dry as you know what. Look at that. We got the knot gear, strong breeze on it, so
super strong.
look at that now. Look at that. You could stick on the end of a string.
So that's pretty light water. That's pretty solid, isn't it?
1.5 K or something. Oh, it's not much. Name and shame. Lux Outdoor. The Robens Chaser 1 coming up here. Same sort of colour as the Akto.
It is, isn't it?
This is the best though. Big head. I've never used it. I've never used this, to be honest. It's the Nokia Strong Breeze. I'm looking forward to trying it out because there's loads of room. You got 2 porches.
And it's free.
And it was free. Yeah. It did get given to me. But I like the prospect of it. It needs seam sealing. I was going to do it tonight, but we've come quite late, so I'm not going to bother. So we've got Druf and Glenn. Paul's decided he's on the Newport side of here.
Out of town.
The out of town side.
Spot though. Nice spot, mate.
Lovely spot. Look at that. This is the other one I was tempted with when I was looking at the Vody. So this is a cool thing, you can set up loads of different ways. Just peel back the outer, have a look at the stars for a bit. Not as big a porch as yours, mine, but
So far, right?
I think if you had the 2-man, I'd probably go for the 2, I don't know. When I was looking at it, I was thinking about a 3 even, like. I think that was probably too big. Porch is huge on the Akto. We're with his cocks out in the wild.
How we doing?
Hey.
Not out yet, but it's...
I know what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Right? Get that out of your mind.
Exactly.
His cocks, that's his name. Right? His cocks is out in the wild.
I'm very grateful for the S on the end.
Yeah.
So what are you cooking up at? What?
We're doing chicken with chilli, mushrooms and Singapore curry noodle.
That's right.
And I'm hoping there's a bit of sauce involved, otherwise it's going to be dry as you know what. Oh, good man.
Get a pot dirty, couldn't it?
Sorry?
A bit hot it is. You can imagine it.
What's in the pan?
Burgers, obviously.
Burgers. Obviously. Can't see, man.
I was going to turn out tomorrow morning, but so far so good. Nice.
Plenty of chilies, huh?
Yeah.
This dog's on a beef-only diet.
Strictly beef.
Don't even look at it, man. Raw mince, you're on now?
Unlucky.
I know someone's going to have some comments about that, but...
I'll be a vegan, don't worry about it.
You look sad as well, I know.
Winge of the week.
Don't get me started on it.
Come on, you may as well.
No, if you've got a problem with me, speak to me on the trail, that's all I can say.
You might notice Poppy's gone less scabby than last week. Raw beef mince. That's the trick. Right, out the way now. The tea.
And grass.
Someone will have something to say about this, but you don't really care.
Who gives a monkeys, innit?
Yeah, there you go. This is sorted right out. Beef has got everything you need for the balanced diet.
Looks like she's enjoying that. I can guarantee
That's
you,
it.
if she had a cabbage or some sort of greenery there, no,
Yeah, well.
just swell up with a boot.
Nice and fluffy. Thatchers, baby.
I set the rule line. We've got 10 strikes each, is it?
10 each, yeah.
Adam's done.
3, 2, 1.
Activate.
Last one.
Ah, come on, boys.
Oh. Oh. 20. 30.
I'm getting excited there.
Nice bit of sparks.
There we go.
There it goes.
Good dad.
I can't say it was 10, but
Who
got the fire going?
Who got the fire going?
he done it.
I think you'd be right, boys.
Look at that, man.
Sweet.
You're going to forge an arc, innit?
Yeah. Well, you got some proper cheese first.
It's a first for me, man. I've never seen minced meat put into a burger, into a bun before like that.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen squeezy cheese go on it?
Ah, mate. There are many subscribers you're going to lose now.
All the bad ones, hopefully.
He's always thinking, isn't he?
Hey.
Always thinking.
Right.
If you want to eat
chuck
it,
it
you
all
eat
in.
it, man. You eat
Chuck
it.
it all in, you reckon?
Yeah, it's about survival, isn't it? You know what I mean?
So,
Oh, you pig.
it's more cheese than anything. Look at that.
If I had my slingshot, they'd all be out the sky.
Bread and butter, never heard that before.
That looks like that hop, skip and juice, that, doesn't it?
3.9, it's not very strong, right?
Watch out, I might send you over the top, I might.
Frothy.
Everywhere you go,
I don't know.
always take the fire with you.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Well, out of 10. Solid setup, man. Q&A time.
Q&A, Q&A.
So this week I've been asked, when is the best time to harvest wood? I always find 92 minutes before sunset is the ideal time to harvest the wood. Because the O2 moves into different sections, it moves away from that dead wood. That's it.
Well, I think I heard that somewhere.
That's about the time the walls come out, isn't it?
Part 2 of his question was, how do you make wood fat to turn into fat wood? What we do, when we've got regular campsites, we go there, now we eat a pot noodle, and that little bit of juice at the bottom, we fertilise the tree with that little bit of juice, and every week, by the end of the first 52 weeks, that's when you can harvest your first fat wood.
When the tree falls down, you should find all the fat wood at the roots normally, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on like a pine or something.
Top bellowing.
Sweet.
Perfect. Oh, it's on it.
Just making a nice bed. Perfect.
She found a hole.
What is it?
Amazon.
Winge of the week.
Jeff Bezos, you need to do better. Sending all those drones up in the sky. You need to sort your music app out first.
What is it? Amazon Prime?
Crap.
Horrendous.
Yeah.
How dog?
Guess we'll chuck this spoon on the fire again. This boy. This is Glenn's knife from the Ukraine. It's quite a nice one. Sharp as hell, mind. BPS knives. Yeah, smart, isn't it? Full tang. Fireplace is there. I'll cover it up, but this water will wash it away soon anyway. Everything's cleared, apart from loads of bits of wood everywhere. Right, we're just about packed away. Thanks for watching. Shout out to these legends. Catch you next time. We're with his cocks out in the wild.